Are you serious? Are you serious? You better bundle up. Are you serious? New York? New York being absolutely dumped on with an unbelievable, apocalyptic, nearly cataclysmic, if you will, snowstorm that's insane. 4 people have died so far. The snowstorm that hit November the 18th and 19th, it's covered New York's Buffalo area with more than 4 feet of snow, has killed 4 people, according to the New York Times. Now, 1 person died in a car accident, 3 others from heart attacks from this bitter winter storm. The lake effect snow created that when a snow front moves over a large body of warmer water, stranding cars, trucks, buses. Whiteout conditions caused by wind gusts of more than 30 miles an hour has closed more than 100 miles of roads. It's absolutely insane. It even is snowing. They had to cancel school in Louisville, Kentucky. I mean, this thing is completely out of control. Yesterday, all 50 states, including Hawaii, including Northern California, including Florida, seen temperatures dip at some point below 32 degrees. It may be the first time. It was the coldest day here in Indiana in 145 years. Whoa. Are you serious? Still chills when I think about it. Wow. Has the poles shifted a little? Because everything seems to be a month off. Has winter come a month early? What? Just asking questions, guys. I mean, I didn't send the snow. I'm just the guy asking questions. Why is water turning blood red in Indiana? 4 foot of snow falling in Buffalo, New York before Thanksgiving in November. And it's below 32 degrees in Hawaii. I'm just asking questions.